Your chin? Okay, let's try again. Try again. Okay.
There you go. Good job. Feeding yourself. Not as messy as Daddy thought it would be.
No, I'm surprised. She does good putting it in her mouth.
Ready for another bite?
Put the spoon in. Get a refill. Ready?
Let's do her right hand.
That is her right hand.
Oh, yeah. It looks like her left hand from here. You're really good.
Good job, baby.
Mostly on her lip, but...
Here you go. Take this spoon.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Put it in your mouth.
You get a mess there. Wrong
Other
end.
end. Turn it around.
Oh my.
Okay, Mommy keeps this spoon. That's Mommy's spoon.
Okay, that's enough for YouTube.